This is John Stemble with Atlas IED at ISC West. And today we're happy to present our new innovative gunshot detection platform, our technology, and just a few things you guys need to know about this. As we have developed ground up, I'll show you there, a new gunshot detection technology that is multi-sensory, so we avoid a lot of false triggers with this technology. This is something we developed 100% in-house. We own the algorithm, we own the data that trains the algorithm. This is a compatible product with our new AIX line, and you guys can come see that at our booth at ISC West, or you can visit us on the website at atlasIED.com.
Hey, welcome from ISC West. My name is Dennis Lips. I'm the founder of eSentry, and I am happy to show you our system for automatic identity verification and access management, and I'm happy to guide you through the process. So, actually, it usually starts with a QR code from an invitation email where you can do all your prerequisites that you have to do for entering that facility. So we just started here with the QR code. You see then you have an invitation, but you have to verify yourself and have to show that it's actually you. So I take my identity document. It scans it automatically. It takes like 5 seconds per site. I have to turn it around. There you go, because it has to check all the security features of the ID document. And after that, we know you have a right to be here. We have seen a valid ID document, but is it actually the person in front of the machine? So that's why we have to do as the last step, face match. That's it. So within like 15 seconds, you have been verified. We have also verified that you have an access right here, and then we issue you like an RFID card with the right credentials on it, plus a name badge. And the coolest thing is you're immediately enrolled into any kind of other biometrics. So we have a Suprema and an Alcatraz over here from our partners. So I can take the card right now, put it onto Suprema, it checks my face, and the door opens. So I get basically access completely unmanned into any kind of critical infrastructure. And then from our friends from Rohn & Schwarz, where here the body scanner that you will find at the airports, and this makes sure that I do not have anything in or bring anything in or out, that I'm not allowed to do that. I do that just real quick. So you go in there, it scans, and then make sure if I have anything with me or not. But as I have like my hand closed, it alerts, and you see here that it sees that I had my hand closed, and it alerts that I could have something in my hand that I'm not allowed to bring there. So it sends you out and do that. So if you want to have more information on this entire like automated access journey to critical infrastructure, check out our website, esentry.com. Thank you.
Hello, my name is David. I'm with Liberty Air, powered by 3DI. So let me show you our platform. So we are completely web-based. So you don't need to download any software. You just need to enter your username and password, click on login, and the system will be right in front of your eyes. So we can see the cameras inside the platform. I want to show you the cloud analytics that we have available in the system. So let's take this camera, for example. And the great thing about our system, our platform, is that we can use any existing camera. It doesn't have to be any specific resolution or any specific brand. We can turn any camera that you already have installed into Powerhouse by adding cloud analytics to it. So let me show you how it works. So right here we have a camera which has been there for almost 10 years. It's only 2 megapixel camera. It's from known brand, nothing really fancy. So if we want to do a search, we just click on search right here, and let's say we want to see a specific type of the objects we're looking for. And as you can see, we have quite a few objects to be identified, such as current person, also gun detection, license plate detection. We can identify a lot of objects here. So let's click on a car, and we can set the confidence level, and the system will pull you all the cars on that day. So if we want to make it even more complicated, we pick the color. As you can see, the system just pulled all white cars today, and also you can see a people counting here as well. And if we want to set specific hours, you can see that system pulled all the cars in white available during these specific hours. So also, let's make it more complicated. By the way, we have a heat maps here which indicate the high traffic areas, but let's disable it for now for a second. Let's make it more complicated for the system. Let's see, we want to see the car inside of this little area right here, and just to be clear, this is pretty far from the camera, so the system should struggle finding the car in this specific area, and guess what, it doesn't. So it's just amazing what this system can do, to be quite honest with you. So here's the system, here's the car, and yeah, that's how cloud analytics works. And again, it's 3D, it's Liberty Air, cloud by 3DI, and it's a great system to try. It's highly flexible, and it's built for the integrators.
Hi, I'm Mike Redding, Security Product Manager for iPro. We're here at ISC West 2026, and today we're going to talk about our security radar, as well as being able to take and tip and cue a PTZ camera based off of that. Our security radar is a millimeter wave radar set. It's going to be broadcasting out the energy and looking for returns. You can set up specific areas inside those returns, or a specific area to find those returns, and from those specific areas generate alarms. Those alarms can then be used to trigger a PTZ camera to go over and look in those specific areas, where we used to have to take and have a large collection of sensors to cover a large area. We're now able to take and use one single radar set to take and cover that entire footprint with a collection of one or maybe two PTZ cameras. My name is Mike Redding. If you're interested in any more information, please look us up on our website, www.ipro.com.
Hi, my name's Sam Gourlay. I'm here with Cisco. I'm a solutions engineer for our smart cameras. Today here at ISC West, we're focusing on physical security. Whether it be cameras, sensors, we put everything in a dashboard. Inside of that dashboard, you're going to get access to analytics, setting your cameras, whether that be through resolution, whether that be for your video, all within one dashboard. The simplicity of how you can search inside of this particular portal is wonderful. Simply push out an area. Now we're focused on that area. All movement inside of that area is now going to be captured, and you're going to be able to jump to it. Unlike traditional camera systems that take hours and hours and hours of solution searching, you now at your fingertips have the availability to get into the dashboard and get to the action that you need. Our camera solution ranges from domed cameras, optical zoom, fisheye cameras, we have telephoto lenses, and of course we have multi-sensor lenses all the way down at the very end. Whether it be indoor or outdoor, we do have the solution for you. And what's nice is, although we give you best in class, we have a wonderful set of marketplace partners that take you to that next level. Again, thank you. My name is Sam Gourlay, Solution Engineer over here at ISC West. If you'd like to learn more, please go to cisco.com.
Hi, I'm Tim Riley with ADI, and I'm the Datacom Res, and I'm here at ISC West in Las Vegas, and we're demoing our data center product at the show here. So this first cabinet right here is a Belden cabinet, and with all the interest in Datacom data centers coming up, it's really important for us to get the message out that we're in this business and we're promoting all the different type of products that the data centers have. This is a Belden cabinet, and it has lots of fiber products in it. where you can a lot of capacity, where data centers obviously run a ton of fiber. It's a lot of capacity, and it's one of the bigger cabinets that we offer at ADI. Moving over here, we have a Hubble cabinet, and it's kind of set up for the same thing. We are showing how you can have your patch panel in here with patch cords. We have a UPS and also an air conditioner unit down there to keep the cabinet cool. And Hubble also offers patch panels for the fiber, different types of fiber as well. And then lastly, we have a product from our EB line, which is our house brand of product for ADI. We're featuring Ortronics, Arachnus, which is one of the exclusive brand products at ADI, and also a kind of a new front load system that Ortronics has with their HDJ jacks that fit in, and it's nice because the cables come in from the back and you can manage it from the front, and most cassettes actually have to be managed from the back. And then also we have our Wattbox, another EB product, exclusive brand product at the bottom. And then we also are focusing on Trip Light with the PDUs and also UPSs with that as well. So if you're interested in any of these types of products, please see our website at www.adiglobaldistribution.us.